are putting some Cobra parts on the red Mustang. Now, if you have watched any of the other videos, you know that it's had problems with the front left caliper locking up. So my thoughts were, let's go ahead and just upgrade them to Cobra brakes, because it's like $20 more to get the Cobra brakes and they bolt right up. We got the rotors, pads, caliper brackets, calipers, and yeah, I'm headed over to my dad's right now and we're gonna get started working on that. So hopefully this rain goes away pretty soon, so we're not getting soaked out there.
mallet. Let me hit it.
So on the Cobra brakes, they're a little bit different than just regular GT brakes. So this isn't a how-to. But basically, you gotta assemble the caliper and brackets off the vehicle, and it's one whole assembly, then it goes on. So that's what I'm doing now, and then we'll have the Cobra brakes on. is now a week later. I had to order new banjo bolts because for some reason these calipers we got are using the old thread style previous to 2003. Obviously this is a 2003. So I had to order the previous thread size, and it comes with new washers. So now I can finish up the Cobra brakes and then we'll do the reveal. Brake line is on, new banjo bolt, 2 new copper washers, and it's tight and does not seem to be leaking. So the driver's side is done. So I'm gonna go work on the passenger side now. I'll do that off camera and then we'll go ahead and do a review.